persons that changed the world. People that dedicated their lives to making our world a better place to live. There have been people who have lived on this earth who dedicated their lives for the service of others. They are not remembered for what they did for themselves, but are remembered for their selfless dedication to society. Let's study a few of the persons that spent their lives sharing and spreading the message of love, peace, and joy. Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King, Mother Teresa, Sarojini Naidu, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Jhansi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi, as he came to be known, studied law in England and then moved to South Africa to practice law. Gandhiji was appalled at the treatment meted out to the blacks and Indians. Gandhiji himself became a victim of discrimination when he was sent out of a train in spite of holding a valid first-class ticket. Gandhiji vowed to fight against injustice and soon became a popular figure in South Africa. On his return to India, Gandhiji continued the struggle against injustice and led the people in the struggle for independence from British rule. The central point of Gandhiji's belief was ahimsa or non-violence, which he considered to be the greatest virtue. This method of struggle was through satyagraha based on truth, courage, and non-violence. Violence, Gandhiji said, was the weapon of the weak and not the strong. On August 15, 1947, the Indian nation was born due to the efforts of Gandhiji and host of freedom fighters that sacrificed for our independence. Gandhiji was named Father of the Nation for his selfless leadership in attaining freedom. Gandhiji was assassinated on January 30, 1948 by Nathuram Godse in an act of violence Gandhiji so deplored. Gandhiji's teaching and practice of non-violence was later adopted by Martin Luther King Jr., among many others, in their struggles for equality and justice.